Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Bosch Dishwasher error code E19. Now, if your Bosch dishwasher is throwing a E19 error code here, it usually means that there's an issue with your heat exchanger outlet valve or the dispenser system. Now, this isn't always a major problem here, but in this case, how do you exactly fix it? So, you can try resetting, or in this case, you may want to try hard resetting your dishwasher here. So, in this case, you want to go ahead and basically turn off your dishwasher completely. Now, you want to unplug it from the power source. Now, if you can access the power source or unplug it from the power source, you may want to locate the, in this case, the switch or the breaker for it and just remove power from it. Now, you want to wait for a minute or even longer, like if you can not turn off the power from like an hour if you can, and just basically wait for it to drain the power on it. So in this case, once the time is up, you can go and plug it in, turn it on, and see if that actually solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, then in this case, you may need to replace the heat exchanger outlet valve here, which in this case, for safety reasons, I would recommend you to reach out to a technician or even reach out to Bosch customer support here for further assistance, so that they can connect you with a technician or give you further details on how to fix this. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Up. Thank you for watching.